Hi guys, selifikile lelanga lalomsebenzi wami. Ngona nginevalo. But ke hayi kude lengakwenda, asengive ukuthi ngimuphi umsebenzi. Nail technician. Woo! Yeah. Let's see. Ukuthi sizakwenda njani. But I hope ngidawukhona. Ngona ngikhathatekile kakhulu ukuthi ngoba ngine technician ngangababona bona badenda tingalo kuba kuhle nasebakwendile manje ngathi ke ukuthi noma ucala kuphi ngideka ngicale ngalokugcinwa ngako ngathi but nje nako ukushaya ivalo kancane nangicabanga ne technician cabanga umuntu lomkhulu lo wenda abantu babe bahle kakhulu la tingalweni so ngicabanga nje ukuthi umuntu lona ufuna athathe 6 months kuya eminyakeni soloku afundzela manje ke it's a pity kimi ngoba kude ne tutorial noma ngingakuthola ngalokuthi ngimuntu lotimiselako ngiyakhola ukuthi I would nail it. Hayi sengifikile guys la ngiqonda khona tingalo njenga net technician ngiyadi yona lenzawo but ke I hope ndokhona ukukhopha tende futhi netingalo asesibone ukuthi kuyakwendeka. Hi my sister.
Hi Futhi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good too.
Siyabonga. Thembinkosi Mbuyisa mina.
Okay, siyabonga Mbuyisa mina ngiyandingwa kamhlophe. This is my space.
Yes.
This is where I do nails.
Yes.
So what is your task for today?
My task, my sister, is to be a nail technician.
Okay, Mbuyisa, are you ready? Is your back ready, Mbuyisa?
Yeah, Gona. I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay.
I'm a little bit nervous.
Okay.
But,
It's easy, Mbuyisa. It's easy.
It is.
Trust me. It's easy. Please sit down.
yes,
You
my
can
sister.
have a seat.
Thanks so much.
Okay. Okay, Mbuyisa, please wear this apron for me because I can see you are looking very, very good today.
Yes.
Yes, so we don't want to ruin your clothes, so please, yes.
Yeah, my apron.
Please tie it at the back.
Okay. So what for?
This is just to keep your very beautiful shirt clean.
Oh.
Yes, because there's a lot of dust that happens when we are prepping and doing our nails.
Okay.
Yes, so please sit down, Mbuyisa.
So what's the name of the place?
The place, okay, I'm sorry. This studio is called Goddess Beauty. I am nailed by Yandi. I have been doing nails here in Babanisa NDPT.
Okay.
Yes, but you can go to my page, Mbuyisa, when you're done working and you'll see the work that I do.
Okay.
Okay, Mbuyisa, this is our beautiful client, Fortune. Fortune, please bring your chair closer.
Yes.
You too, Mbuyisa, bring your chair closer. Don't be afraid of Fortune.
Okay.
Okay, Fortune, please put your hands here.
Yeah.
Okay, Mbuyisa, Fortune has very beautiful hands, but we want to make them even more beautiful. Yeah?
Oh, than this.
Yes, than this.
Oh,
so we
okay.
start by prepping Mbuyisa. We have this, which is called the acetone, and this wipe.
Okay. This is an
Yes,
acetone.
that's acetone.
Acetone.
Yes, and then this is wipe. The acetone helps with cleaning Fortune's nails and also
Oh, now I'm cleaning
dehydrating. Yes, clean the germs, Mbuyisa.
I'm sanitizing.
Sanitize, and don't be afraid to hold her fingers.
Okay.
Yes, don't be afraid. Just we'll do one hand for now.
Oh, okay.
We'll do one hand. Just don't be afraid, Mbuyisa.
Okay. So the acid tool is for cleaning.
Yes, it's for cleaning. It's called prepping. This process is called prepping the nail. While preparing the nail, Mbuyisa, kona stofaka na nail extension.
Okay.
Yes.
You can feel it.
Yes, exactly. And you can see how the nails are now white. It's just dehydrating the nail. Kususa onge la mafutha la hlale ala. You can relax, Bochu. Just relax. You take this beautiful hand, Mbuyisa, and you push gently, just gently. This process is still called part of prepping the nail.
So I'm preparing the nail.
Yes, we hold it like this, Mbuyisa, so that
like
you don't lose control.
Okay.
Gently pushing.
So what the pushing for?
The pushing, Mbuyisa, is to push the cuticles back, to clean around the cuticles. And they're going to last longer.
Oh.
Yes, so we just push. Yes, don't be afraid, Mbuyisa. Let me bring the light closer for you.
So aksiko.
But you know, it's always best to ask your client, are they feeling comfortable? Because your clients are not supposed to feel uncomfortable. Nice? They're supposed to enjoy. It's supposed to be a therapeutic experience.
Okay.
Yes, Mbuyisa. Lapha fike basicokela tonke enzabateni ukuthi nibahlupha ngani lapho sisi Mbuyisa.
Now I see.
Laba fike bathi hamle khona lana. Kecha baphuma sebabahla bolokumnanzi ngalokho. Mbuyisa, so that's what you do. Sitting. Bese sayithatha nail file.
Oh, this is a nail
Yes,
file.
that's the nail file.
Okay.
The nail file is just to pin the iyangeta eksuseni the shine from the nail. Khona kutohlala leligalo lethu lingaphumi. So sendanjena ke basit. We use the gentle side of the file. Use the gentle. Yes, because until we want to continue ukuthi sigcine letingalo takhe ti healthy ti kahle.
Okay.
Sithi ke Mbuyisa uzama kungasonzeli lana kule cuticle yakho.
Okay.
Uhamba nje uthi nje ama motions yabona Mbuyisa uthi. Uthi nje uyalibamba nje legalo bo ndeni.
Okay.
Ngagcinisi Mbuyisa nje yabona nje.
Okay.
Be very gentle. Yes.
Uzame
ungasonzeli ke lana ke.
Okay.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Mbuyisa yabona lo kwendile. Lokhu ke kwalokho. Don't nje. Siyasebenza la.
So what's for this?
This is just to susa le dust. Instead of go to uthi ngoba na uthi phinze so buyisela so mosha lo msebenzi wakho lo muhle lo so wendile na uprepare leligalo.
This is a sponge.
Yeah, okay, it's a duster.
A duster.
It's a duster. Yes. You're doing uzame lokho nje lonke nje lingiyekele lokumanya. Khona leligalo lethu litohlala kahle.
Okay.
You're doing such a great job, Mbuyisa.
Thank you.
Yes, I think I might have to hire you after.
Please.
So,
Then you can pay me how much per day?
You know, because it's you, Mbuyisa, how 5 rand nje ligalo linye.
5 rand.
Sesithatha nanga ke are the nail extensions but my tips.
Okay.
Ngile stack ngeta ke kuleli galo. Uyalibona Steam Fisher tingalo takhe.
Okay, yes.
Sifuna kudena tibe dinsa. Sesiyathatha ke Mbuyisa kuya ngedinombolo yabo letombolo yethu. Ma sizes. Exactly ke. Yena ke ngoba ngathi lincane sitacala kunani leli lincane.
Or 9 is the smallest.
Exactly, but it also depends on the packaging.
Okay.
Yes. Uyacheka ke Mbuyisa naligalo lethu silibeka la. Yabo? Angathi noma uyabona kahle.
Yeah, I can see properly.
Okay. Siyalibeka nje la. Uyalibona leli uyalicheka kusingabe liyenela yini?
Hayi.
Alinele. Okay, Mbuyisa ucansi ngiphi mhlambe lelinganela.
Just try number 8.
Okay, try number 8 ke Mbuyisa and see if that fits.
But I'm worried it's long.
Don't worry, Mbuyisa, she can handle it.
Okay.
I think she can handle it. Nakona, it's fine. How's that one? Is that one too big?
Yeah, it's bigger.
It's bigger. That's fine, Mbuyisa, because I'm saying we can file it kancane lana.
Oh yes. Okay.
Noma singathatha na kokujuba kwethu nje. Silithi nje.
There's a pair of scissors.
Yes, the cuticle cutters.
Oh.
But angifuni ngikondise lokhu namhla ngoba ngoba usaqala Mbuyisa angifuni bese soyamlimada lo sisi.
Oh yes, bese ukhala ngawo.
Bese sokhala ngawo. Sethatha na glue yethu.
Okay, no one.
Our glue is a brush glue. Remember? Brush. Uvele uyithi nje kang very. Don't try not to bring it closer to your face. Sorry, Mbuyisa. Uthi nje yabo. Kancane lana.
Okay.
Ayisheshiyumi. Uyayibamba. When they show ukuthi your finger doesn't stick to it. Ibambe lana. Ubambe nesandla sakhe kutoba and then ubambe nje isikhashana.
Of course. Okay.
Bese siyayeke.
Yes. So
Akuthenga ukucinzetela. Sekomla ngithi ukucinzetele when you were holding it down. Ngokucinzetela uyakuva nje nyathi sekuvana. Sekucinile. The second one you do the second one. You pick nje uyabuka nje ukuthi okay.
number 8. So now number
Okay. Try that one and see. Oh, perfect, Mbuyisa. That's called customer service. Uyamcheck nje ukuthi use right yini. Hayi Mbuyisa wena ngathi udokotela ekuthatha umsebenzi wami. Linjani lelo? Lincanyana. Okay. Site kumakhelwane ke.
what if angithola size?
Awuthola size and then Mbuyisa uyabona siseneni lana. You try at least to file kancane noma ujule kancane just to fit ngoba angithi sisato file leligale leli silende ukuthi li blend with the natural nail.
I'm just assuming you are an agent.
Yes,
Construction.
Yes, you just hold it kanjalo.
Doing what there?
Pupulta if you want to. Yes.
Are you qualified?
There you go. I have a certificate of education, but because of the lack of jobs and experience, I was not qualified to the extent that I wanted to be.
Okay.
Yes, but I felt like, you know what, maybe it wasn't my thing.
Okay.
And then I started doing this full-time last year when I lost my job. I came here this year, actually, in Mbuyisa. I came here this year.
Okay.
Yes, in this space, Lana Eco's Beauty Hub.
Okay. You also do makeup?
Yes, we do makeup. We have our lovely makeup artist here.
So, are you teaching people how to do makeup and to be nail technicians?
Not yet, Mbuyisa. I feel like when I do want to teach people, I want to teach people bakone kuti tolele misebenzi. I don't want to do it for the sake of teaching, but I just want to empower people. Perfect, Mbuyisa. Uyambuda ke ukuthi utiva kanjani ke like does she like it?
Oh, definitely. Right.
Okay. So Mbuyisa nailed by Mbuyisa.
Nailed by Mbuyisa. Yes.
Nailed by Mbuyisa. Hayi na ke Mbuyisa. Angithi yabona ke ukuthi it's not smooth there. It's just rough land.
Yes.
Siyathatha ke sibela ku file yethu ke Mbuyisa.
Still this one.
This one. This is called a buffer. Sitayisebenzisa ekugcineni. File yethu ke Mbuyisa. Yabona ekucaleni ukuthi wendeni. Ngasikhathi uprepare leligalo. Sesiya between leligalo lethu le plastic na leligalo lakhe. We want to blend it kube ngazuthi yinvo yini.
Okay.
Wenda njena njamba uthi just gently. And then yabona amakona ethu kuthi apha. Sifuna kuwathi ke wona. Siyabuyisa swathi. Ubambe lana yabona ukuthi kutokwehla lana into khona kubona. Uyabuyisa yabo phenza nangala Mbuyisa uthi. Uhlumcheka ukuthi uright ungamlimali.
Ngiyambona yasmile.
Yabona la maceleni. Uthi hamba one motion ungathi nawe uthi udamlimali bese sesithi ke lana. Yabo sesiyalinganisa. Yabo selihle.
Asangichubeke. So what is the name of this shape? Because I've heard that different shapes.
That's true, Mbuyisa. This Mbuyisa it looks like it's going to be a square shape. Yabona nje uthi square nje siconzile. Sinema side la straight, nangala nangu straight square. But we have other different shapes. We have square shape. We have a coffin shape. Most yabona coffin ya disho nje legama.
Coffin.
But you have the shape of a coffin. Exactly. The shape of a coffin. So nage angite square yabona square nje sikonzele. Le coffin yona iyakuba ncama nje lamacele noma ngi2. But lana it stays straight.
So why the shape is derived from a coffin?
Because it looks like the shape of a coffin. It looks like the shape of a coffin. And then we have stiletto. Yeah, nalel kamal pins and dish. Answers bo stiletto to squichil. Ikwai. Labo magel qichile stiletto. The same nginalel kalolethu benalel qichile. Lingle stiletto nje lona lihamba ke sonke ke lithi. Sivele qiche nje lithi. Bese sesinanze sine round shape. I-round shape kuyona sivele sikube kube i-round lana.
Okay.
Instead of ukuthi kube square kuvele nje kube i-round.
Okay.
Sine base ke Mbuyisa ke sithatha i-base yethu ke.
Okay.
Sifaka yona. Yabona? Uyazama ukuthi ungayikhiphi it ngoba itawu drip. You try to just wipe off the excess la maceleni. Kusale nje kancanyana. Thatha eligalo lethu. You avoid ke lama cuticles. Angeke bese sopenda ama cuticles. Yes, you avoid them. Uyabo uyaphusha nje Mbuyisa uphusha kancane kancane. Ungafiki kakhulu. Bese soyadonsa uthi uyadonsa.
Oh, this is a base.
Well, this is a base.
This is the first coat.
That's the first coat.
Okay.
Your turn, Mbuyisa.
I think I should go.
Ngibona lethi ngiyakubona nami.
Bamba kamnandi.
Okay, Mbuyisa.
Okay.
Sekuyabala ke, it's counting ke. Usually nakonda leli wena ube wenda leli sokuthi akwendeki nje.
Kude isikhathi sekuma.
Kude isikhathi sekuma Mbuyisa. Kufanele ufike lana udlile unathi manje alright ukulungele vele ukuthi udawusebenza tot. Okay. Uyakhetha ke Mbuyisa but amabhesi ethu kuba mine ngisebenzisana. So ngadikhethela ke na Mbuyisa ukuthi uyithanza yipi noma icustomer ubuthi uthi uyatwena bawujabulele lini.
Ungathanza yipi lama.
Phinze nawe ke angithi ngoba uyiprofessional wena Mbuyisa. Yabo akumnanzi ke icustomer nathi licela ukuthemba because you just use your creativity.
Yeah, ngikhetha ngipink because ngayebo.
Vula ke pink Mbuyisa singaze sikhetha nkosami kanti.
Okay. So it's also a base akusengasikhala.
Kusenga dependa kuswenda eno na Mbuyisa bakhona la bathanda nje shelo pink anjeni.
The pink. Okay, nyalo sengiyasebenza.
But uyazama ke Mbuyisa ukuthi ungendi ukuthi kube too thick because awufuni ukuthi lena bese seyihamba ichitheka lamaceleni. Yachitheka lamaceleni.
So one time.
Umsebenzi wethu bese awusabi umuhle. Sifuna ukuthi umsebenzi wethu ube muhle.
Phela ufuna basimakethe nabo Instagram.
Ngisifuna ukuthi basitheke. Yabo Mbuyisa wena khona lo ngasitshela kona ngicela usikhulumele iqiniso athi sisodwana lana. Noma khona lo kwampheketela yodenda.
Yeah, partial.
Okay, no, it makes sense now because there's
okay. Is it okay?
Okay, Mbuyisa. Okay. Yabona nakwendeka kanje because yabona ukuthi kuthenzekile la celeni sithatha nakho.
Okay.
Gently we try to clean la maceleni yabo. Lemva. Bese siyakudonsa. But the next time ubuya utabe soyishaya. But awufika nje bacele basibacela Mbuyisa.
Oh yes, please. Uvele nje ubatshele ukuthi ngikhona. Yabona I'm not good in designing.
But like nje what are your creative juices telling you? Nakudeba layini khona yini umdoli lozama lofuna noma ufuna astamina le French.
Ngicela sichubeke nale French.
Okay.
Ngoba ama design into lengayathi.
Okay, Mbuyisa.
Asesikolweni ngakubalekela trusted design.
Kanzibuka botawulunga bobalekela lide naku lana udesign eligalo lana.
ngangithanda imali kakhulu so
Okay.
ngangifuna kobala imali.
Okay, wena ungatsho malini Mbuyisa?
No, ngalo msebenzi phela ngizocala ku 200.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Mbuyisa, yes.
Ngicela 200 ngoba sengibuka lo msebenzi.
Mningi.
Hayi, mningi kakhulu umsebenzi.
Mningi. Sayidraw ke le French.
Kanti siyayidraw.
Sayidraw Mbuyisa. Ndadraw igalo linye ngiyakucolela namhla ngoba uyaqala uyafikela. Ngasithathe height nje. Ngibhodla nje ibhale height hayi le.
Oh, libhalwe height. This one.
Bese sesithatha nasikopoti sethu noma ngangisiphi lo sithanda zakho. Ngicela sisule. Sule nje lana ngale asatha. Kancane nje uthi chup. Bese siyasula. La. Yabo. Teglel. Hlangana.
Okay.
Bese sosithatha lo white wethu. Siyapenda ke lana. Le arc is just to guide ukuthi womni ngidawupenda ngigcine
la. Okay. Not good.
And that's fine, guys. The attempt is just as good. Lokumnanzi ukuthi kunengitindelo ngadenda ngetingalo.
Okay.
Nasivula lana.
Okay.
Sina manje nanga ethu lamahle nawo ngamfaka wona ke anconywana. Ungadicate Mbuyisa ufuna ukufuna. Ase ngoba angisuthi uyakuthemba. Thathi ke kanjena ke Mbuyisa. Ufuna kwenda njani ufuna kufaka leli?
Ufuna kufaka leli.
Okay. Leli tshela kufuna kulibeka kuphi?
Leli tshela ngifuna kulibeka la.
Kupho ufuna kwenda le la white. Perfect ke Mbuyisa. Uyathatha dot qo kancane la nje qo yabo. Okay. Wendela ukuthi wendela la kuhlala khona le.
Yes.
Siyangeta kancane litohlala. Sesivala lo msebenzi wethu lo muhle sesibona ube muhle kakhulu. Yabo ukuthi ke manje.
Okay.
Ngala. Yes. Ngalana ke because the liche ethi likhulu uyazama lokuhamba around le liche. Lithi. Ngalana uthi nje uthi. Not on top of the liche ngoba likhulu kakhulu.
No.
Just around the liche lethu. Longele igalo. So nje napa supposed to sibaqetha 5 hours balana ngokwade uzivele balakithi inkosana.
Abaka besipavakashela letyenza.
Balana.
La ngichubeke ngikwenda.
Aha nangalapho angithi ukhethe kusilapho utawushiya kube njalo.
Yes.
Aha okay, usually Mbuyisa nasasicedzile bese sesiyashutha ke lo msebenzi wethu. Utati ikhumbuta ukuthi ati ngento umsebenzi wami lomuhle lana.
Okay. Bese sesithatha sithombe.
Thatha sithombe ngisi advertiser kanjalo.
Okay.
Uyampositiona kahle ke umtshela ukuthi yambona ka relax fana umkhumbude ukuthi relax. Yabo? Siyashoot. Yabo yabo wena Mbuyisa.
Angithame camera person.
Thatha ama-angles zakho lahlukile ke. So uyahamba uyaposta ka Facebook uthi come get your nails.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, thank you so much, Mbuyisa.
Thanks so much. I appreciate.
All right, I appreciate you. You're such a great learner. Yes, you are very much hired.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Out of 10, I give Mbuyisa a solid, very solid 7. A very solid 7.
Yes.
I do. This is. Imagine if for sure by the end of the month, Mbuyisa, if you did this every day, you would be perfect.
You can imagine for a beginner, it's going to 7 over 10. That is 70%. Lapho phasile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Stay blessed.
Siyabonga nathi kakhulu. Siyanimukela ukuthi sicela nite shamlana eGoddess Beauty Hub just to get your nails done. Mhlawumbe ngalilelanga ndawuthola Mbuyisa. I don't know that.
Yes.